So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that there is a set of numbers from 100 to 1000, right? And both are inclusive. That means we include 100 and we include 1000 as well. And now we are asked how many integers are odd and do not contain the digit 5. So basically, we have to tell starting from 100 up till 1000 how many integers are there which are odd and which do not contain the digit 5. So obviously, if you just count them, it will take a lot of time. So the how to solve this? So let's understand that. So basically, tell me one thing: from 100 to 1000, all the numbers are 3-digit numbers, right? 100, 101, 102, 110, up till 999. All these are 3-digit numbers, right? Except for 1000. Let's keep it till the end, right? So all the numbers are three-digit numbers, right? I hope this makes sense. Okay. Now tell me one thing. In total, how many digits are there? In total, there are 10 digits, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? These are the possible digits that exist in the number system or whatever you call it, right? So these are total of how many? 10 digits, right? In total. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Firstly, we are given the condition that the integers should be odd, right? How do we determine that an integer is odd? By looking at the last digit. For example, if I give you an example, tell me one thing: 645, right? 323, uh, 467, right? 1149, right? For anything. All these numbers are odd numbers. Why? Because the last digit is odd. If you look at the last digits, it is odd. We don't care about the first and the second digit. We don't care about the first, second digit, first, second digit, first, second digit. We don't care. We care about the last digit. If the last digit is odd, then the number is odd, right? Okay. So now in this question, we are asked how many integers are odd. That means we need to have an odd integer. That means for this last digit, it should be an odd number, right? Now out of these, what are the possible odd numbers or the odd digits? It can be 1, it can be 3, it can be 5, it can be 7, it can be 9. I hope pretty clear, right? But we are also given in the question that the integer should not contain the digit 5. That means this entire integer should have no 5 in it. That means let's remove 5, right? So what all possible options we have? We have 1, 3, 7, 9. So we total have 4 options. So let's write 4 over here, right? I hope this is pretty clear, right? Okay. Now tell me one thing. Let's talk about this first digit. How many possible options can be here, right? So we know that how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 digits, right? Obviously, in the first place, we cannot put 0, right? If we put 0, then obviously it will be something like this, which is a 2-digit number. But we have to start from 100, right? So obviously, over here, we cannot put 0. I hope this is very clear, right? So 0 is not an option. Similarly, we know that the integer cannot contain 5. So 5 also cannot be an option because in this entire integer cannot be having 5. So how many options are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are a total of 8 options for this digit. I hope this is pretty clear. Right. Now tell me one thing. How many options can be there for this digit over here? So one thing is for sure that we cannot have 5, right? Because we cannot have 5 in the entire integer. Apart from 5, we can have any digit, right? We can have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because for example, if there is a number 505, or if there is a number 607, or if there is a number 397. So basically in the middle digit, we can have any possible number and it should be completely fine, right? So How many options will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There will be a total of 9 options over here, except for 5 because we cannot have 5 in the entire integer. I hope this is pretty clear. So total integers will be how many? 8 into 9 into 4. I hope this makes pretty good sense, right? So how much will this be? 72 into 4, which is 288. So this is your answer, that there will be a total of 288 integers from 100 to 1000 which are odd and which do not contain the digit 5. And in the beginning I told you that let's leave 1000. Obviously 1000 is even number, so we don't include that, right? So 288 is your final answer. I hope this should be pretty clear.